Audi showed off the new Q4 e-tron augmented reality display. I got to say, this is pretty cool. So it's kind of like a heads-up display, but more comprehensive than that. The AR system can place a red line over a lane marker and let the driver know when they're drifting too far to one side. An animation that tracks the car ahead when using adaptive cruise control. You can see it kind of on this particular image that Will is looking at right now. It's tracking the car in front. Below that is your regular heads-up display type of stuff, the speed and the speed limits, and if you have nav turned on or something like this. But then this other stuff is much more comprehensive from what we've seen in the past as far as tracking that car in front. It's almost like a signal to you, because a lot of cars have this adaptive cruise control now, but it can be kind of abrupt when you don't have the visual cue, but instead your thing starts braking on its own. This adds a little bit more texture to it, a little bit more sophistication.
And it does look cool.
And it looks cool, which, of course, we all know matters. Turn-by-turn navigation is in there with a bright blue arrow in the driver's field of view. Audi says the new AR system pulls in more than 1,000 signals from sensors all over the Q4 e-tron to figure out exactly where to place AR elements.